The quest for immortality has driven humanity for centuries, from ancient myths to modern medicine. But what if our physical bodies weren't necessary? What if we could transfer our consciousness, our thoughts, memories, and personality into a computer? This concept, mind uploading, proposes a digital afterlife. While seemingly science fiction, neuroscience, AI, and computer science are making progress, understanding the brain is crucial. It's a complex network of roughly 86 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections. These neurons communicate via electrical and chemical signals, creating our experiences. To upload a brain, scientists need to scan and map every neuron and its connections, whole brain emulation like Neuralink. Mapping is only the first hurdle. The brain constantly changes, learns, and adapts. Replicating its dynamic processes is critical. Artificial intelligence plays a key role. AI has shown machines can simulate aspects of human thought. Deep learning algorithms, inspired by the brain's neural networks, recognize speech, process images, and make decisions. However, replicating the brain's complexity is a different challenge. AI can imitate human behavior, but it doesn't possess consciousness or self-awareness. Even a perfect digital copy may not be truly alive. The idea of mind uploading has a history. Alan Turing's work in the 1950s on machine intelligence laid groundwork. Hans Moravec, in the 1980s, proposed mind uploading for digital immortality. Films like The Matrix and Transcendence popularized the concept. Futurists like Ray Kurzweil predict a technological singularity by 2045 where humans merge with AI. But is this realistic? Significant ethical and philosophical challenges exist. If an uploaded brain exists on a computer, is that still you? This questions personal identity and consciousness. Who owns your digital mind? Could companies or governments control it? Would a digital mind have rights? Deleting it, would that be murder? Mind uploading isn't just a technological challenge. It's a moral dilemma. Despite the hurdles, progress continues. Research focuses on storing and transferring memories digitally, preserving thoughts and experiences for AI to simulate personalities after death. Brain implants and AI integration, like Neuralink's work, create a direct link between the brain and digital systems. Partial brain uploading, simulating parts digitally while connected to the biological body, may precede full uploading. However, full brain emulation remains a significant scientific challenge. Some neuroscientists doubt we'll ever fully understand consciousness to replicate it digitally. Others envision it as a possibility by the end of the 21st century. The possibility of uploading a human brain is both fascinating and controversial. Success would redefine humanity, but the path to digital immortality is fraught with scientific and ethical complexities. We still don't fully understand consciousness. Even with a successfully uploaded brain, would it be truly alive? Mind uploading currently remains theoretical. As technology advances, we may confront a profound question. Would you upload your brain if you could? The answer may shape the future of humanity. This raises questions about what constitutes life, identity, and the very nature of existence. The answers remain elusive, but the potential implications are staggering.